Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Model Garage videos. And just want to do a box opening on the motorized Ford Model B utility rod. Alright, let's see what we got first. Got the fenders. Like I was saying, first, well, we got the fenders right here. Pretty cool. Got the cab. Got the motorized parts right in this little sack. Yeah, this tree right here with the windshield bumpers, firewall, hubcaps, grill, and exhaust pieces and engine pieces. Got the front axle and the wheel backs. Got top half of the rear end. And we have the bottom half of the rear end. And we got the steering wheel and the front suspension pieces. Now we got the interior grille and radiator assembly there. And the gear for the gear set right there for the front, for the motorized part. And we have the plastic wheels. We got the floor for the cab. I think this is the piece to hold the motor in. And we got the custom V8 right here. And unusual decals, which I'm not sure if those would be useful. And now we got miscellaneous wire right here for something. So, yeah, let's look at the directions.